Yes, so now we are discussing about economic topics. In that, today we are discussing about stock trading. Stock trading broadly refers to any buying and selling of stock, but it is colloquially used to refer to more shorter term investments made by very active. Next point is how do I start trading stocks? Four steps to start online trading in India. Find a stockbroker. The first step will be finding an online stockbroker. Open Demat and trading account. Log into your Demat and trading account and add money. And next, view stock details and start trading. Next point is what type of stock trading is best for beginners. The Indian stock market is a great place to start investing your money, especially for beginners. It offers an excellent opportunity for people who want to get into the market without having to worry about the technicalities of buying and selling stocks. The stock market in India offers many advantages to investors. Next point is can I teach myself trading? Yes, you can learn to trade by yourself without a course if you are patient and understand that it will take a lot of time. Trading is a competitive industry, and to succeed, you will have to pave the path for your own success. So you can also teach trading, but you should have good experience and good verification details. And you should have this. In India itself, around 6,000 scripts are there. Script means one company, one company stock details, opening of the stock, closing of the stock, and what is the margin, and all these details will come into a Excel sheet, one script. Not only in Excel, in online also in script. Likewise, one script is equivalent to one company. Not equivalent to one script is describes about one company details. And likewise, around 6,000 approximately scripts are there. If you know all these 6,000 scripts, you will be expert in teaching. By that knowledge, you can teach others also very well, and you can get income in online by that also. Next point is how do beginners learn to trade? Process of stock trading for beginners. Open a Demat account, understand stock codes, bids and asks, fundamentals and technical knowledge of stock, learn to stop the loss, learn to stop the loss. When it is downfall is going on, you should stop at one stage by clicking on, then your losses will be reduced. And ask an expert. Start with the safer stocks, especially in daily trading. Business means very sensitive and very expective also. So be careful regarding that. Suppose if you are doing a long-term investments means you can check balance sheets and the progress of the company, then you can take it. Then you need not to worry about stock price is down and up and all these things. You need not to think. For the time being, if you believe that stock is it is having a very good goodwill means, then definitely it will be increased for the time being. But even though also in odd times it will down it, but we should not consider all these things. Next point is what type of trading is best? Intraday trading. This trading type makes you buy and sell your stocks on the same day before the market closes. You need to track your market position the entire day looking for a good opportunity to sell your stocks. Intraday trading is a great method of making fast profits provided you invest in the right stocks. What are the four types of traders? The scalper, the day trader, the swing trader, the position trader. And next point is why do most traders lose money? Some common mistakes that the committed by the intraday traders are averaging your positions, not doing research, over trading, following too much on recommendations. These mistakes have caused many day traders to take losses. Around 90% of intraday traders lose money in intraday trading. Next point is how do I become a successful day trader? Knowledge is power. In addition to knowledge of day trading procedures, day traders need to keep up with the latest stock market news and events that affect stocks. Set aside funds. Set aside time. Start small. Avoid penny stocks. Time those trades. Cut losses with limit orders. Be realistic about profits. This is the information regarding stock trading. If you consider all these things, you will become a good stock trading person personally, and as well as you can become a good teacher also regarding your stock trading business. This is the information regarding your stock trading. Wishing you all the best.